Transform your raw Pubg kills into a jaw-dropping montage that'll leave your viewers begging for more. First things first, let's get our clips into CapCut. Open the app, tap New Project, and select all the awesome Pubg gameplay footage you've recorded. Hit Add. Now our timeline is packed. The key is to find those money shots, a circumflex euros, your sickest kills, clutch moments, and epic plays. Scroll through your clips and identify the exact start and end points of each awesome moment. To cut, simply tap on a clip, then drag the white handles on either side to trim it down to just the action you want, or use the split function where you want to divide a clip. We want to make sure our montage flows go clip by clip and trim them ruthlessly to showcase only the most exciting parts. Less is more when it comes to impact. The heartbeat of any good montage is the music. Tap Audio on your toolbar. Then Sounds. Choose a track that matches the intensity of your gameplay. Once selected, tap the plus icon to add it to your project. Now for the magic: syncing your clips to the beat. Play through the music and identify key rhythmic points, a circumflex euros, the drops, the crescendos, the strong beats. You can add markers to your audio track by tapping the little waveform icon when you find a beat. Use your trimmed clips and carefully move them to line up with those music markers. This is where your montage really comes alive. Experiment with the timing, a circumflex euros. A slight delay or an early cut can make a huge difference. To add visual flair, let's dive into Effects. Tap Effects from the main toolbar. Then Video Effects. You'll find everything from shakes and flashes to zooms and glitches. Play around until you discover what complements your gameplay. Apply these effects selectively to your most impactful moments. Don't overdo it, or it can become distracting. A quick flash on a kill or a subtle zoom can add a professional touch. Smooth transitions are crucial. Tap on the small white square between your video clips to access the Transitions menu. Simple cuts are often best, but for a more dynamic feel, try a zoom or a fade out. Now, let's export. Tap the export icon in the top right corner, choose your desired resolution and frame rate, and hit Export. And there you have it, your expertly edited Pubg montage, ready to dominate the battlefield of YouTube. Like this video, subscribe for more Pubg tips, and let us know in the comments your favorite montage editing trick.